There are many speculations for what is to come for the DCEU in the near future, especially after a poor performance at the box office with Justice League, both Ben Affleck and Henry Cavill leaving their respective roles as Batman and Superman, and the Ezra Miller controversy. Everybody is dying to know what is in store for the DCEU characters. Good news, however, has recently been revealed. By agreeing to make his appearance as Batman in The Flash, Ben Affleck could have placed months of gossip to rest, but that has not prevented the excessive amount of rumors that speculate that his revived presence in the series may extend beyond the closing credits of The Flash. There were reports before his comeback was official that Warner Brothers' parent company AT&T were trying to have Affleck back on board, something they pointed out on their social media platforms very clearly. And despite getting swept up by the Justice League and then finally withdrawing from the job altogether for the sake of his well-being, you can still bet that Affleck feels as if he has unfinished business with The Dark Knight. Although his appearance in The Flash could end up being his only return, we have now learned that Affleck is not totally resistant to the thought of actually producing a solo Batman movie. But if he does, he needs creative control over it. The latest proposal is about a prequel that happens before the events of Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice, and it will most certainly be produced for HBO Max. It's impossible to know whether he'll get what he desires, but since he was originally scheduled to star, executive produce, co-write, and direct The Batman, which is an amount of creative control that nobody has ever had in the genre, you can imagine Affleck's position, and you should bet that he would not even consider the possibility of another Dark Knight movie after having turned it down once. Of course, that could change if it were to happen on his terms. Do you think that Ben Affleck will get to return as Batman? Let us know in the comment section below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more of your favorite movie content here on Cinemash.